Double like gang, this shit really get deadly. We don't want really be steady. I run the gang in the trap, read the shit like the Rebbe. You run up, you get to the heavy. Gotta thank God for sending me out of these blessings. Remember them days I was stressed. Now I get paid just to show my reflection. It flicks, plus them send quick like a miss. Trapping was really my blessing. I knew I.
What's up, YouTube? You already know what it is. Your boy Young Dre going on. Back with another video. I'm back with another banger. And y'all already know we finna go ahead and get straight to it. Today we finna bring out a video on how to make $5,000 to $10,000 on Patreon. This app called Patreon. But before we get to the video, make sure y'all hit that like, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, and make sure y'all comment more video ideas and videos y'all would like to see, more images y'all would like to see, more images y'all would like to see, and many more things. And make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow my barber page, follow my clothing page. You already know it's all in the description. Make sure I get that Acorns card, because you will get $1,000 for a goddamn just downloading the app and investing and clicking my referral. But before we start this video, make sure you go to my Patreon right now and subscribe to it here. And we're gonna be doing a daily and weekly money methods and investment tips and free food methods. Goddamn Cash App logins, free CCs, and many more etc. things. So make sure y'all subscribe to my Patreon. So basically on this app called Patreon, if you didn't know, Patreon is basically an all-age OnlyFans. If you didn't know on OnlyFans, you gotta be 18 to access it anyway. So for all you teenagers that's not 18, that's too young, Patreon is the best app you can go to. And Patreon is like an app to connect with your fans, your followers, and your community and people around you. Or they can pay for subscriptions weekly or for every post that you make. So basically for content from you. So first, you want to download Patreon. If you don't know what Patreon is, it's going to be right here. This is exactly how you find Patreon in the App Store or the Play Store, whichever phone you're using, iPhone or Android. Once you get on Patreon, you want to make an account, enter your email, your phone number, your address, and all the details it's asking you for. Tips for making a Patreon is to start building the overall idea. My Patreon, I'm helping people invest and make money. So like, it's going to start, your Patreon going to start like this with tiers and a description on what your Patreon is about. So you want to think of tips and overall idea that you want your Patreon. Second, you want to find out how much you want to charge people every month. So how much you want your tiers to be. So like I said recently, the tiers it's like this. And you can set how many tiers that you want. You can set as much money as you want. So find a price that's set for you. That how much you want to charge your fans or your community. Lastly, you want to launch your Patreon and share your link to all platforms and everywhere. Like everywhere you got Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, share your Patreon everywhere. Doing this, you can guarantee make up to $10,000 every month, as long as you put time and effort to creating your Patreon. Alright gang, that's the video. Make sure y'all niggas create y'all Patreon and get y'all little business started today. But before we even end this video, my nigga, subscribe to my Patreon on God. Link in the description. Follow me on Instagram. Like the video. Comment down below what y'all want to see. Y'all already know we out there, B.